Private plane crash in 182 district at the Pomona Fairplex, 2700 Fairplex Drive. All units.
Not the show spectators had planned on. A plane crashes at the National Hot Rod Association finals at the Pomona Fairplex.
An airplane just crashed.
Oh man. Right when we thought the SEMA crunch was over, it is not over. Oh my gosh. What's up guys? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys, and today we are very uncomfortable. My ribs hurt and I've been in this position for 2 days now. Well, you can see SEMA took a toll on the tow rigs. Not that we were hauling anything heavy or anything, but well, maintenance is needed, and well, we're on it right now. Well, yesterday we decided to tear apart the ram, my 3500, just because, well, I had a major exhaust leak. I got a little whistle on the way up to SEMA. It blew the exhaust manifold gasket. Then from there, come to find out, 2 of the studs were actually broken. So I had 2 studs snap on me, blew up the gaskets, sounding like a freaking tractor. This thing was horrible, lost a little bit of power, but it just sounded really bad. And of course, I didn't want to tow this thing back from Vegas, so we drove it back. I disconnected the trailer, hooked up to my dad's truck, and I just drove it with nothing back. Well, this puts us Thursday after SEMA. No, wait, today's Friday. Friday after SEMA, and you know, just like figured I'll get this back together today. All the bolts came in from Ram, everything came in, gaskets are here from BD Diesel, but I got a phone call right now that is good and bad. And it kind of went like, hey, what's up, Alex? You know how we've been working together for a while now? They want your vehicle in the booth for NHRA Winter Drags at Pomona Fairplex. I'm like, cool, all right, when is that? And they say, it already started. Can you be here right now with either your van or your truck, preferably your truck? Oh, all this SEMA stuff. I haven't filmed anything because we've just been so crazy, and you guys know that, and I'm sorry, but now we are back in it again. I guess I got a few hours to get all this put back in right now. So, and the guys are cleaning up the little red right now, got it on charge, they're washing it up. I gotta get this truck back up and running on the road, put everything back together, head to go pick up the trailer, come back, load the little red up, head to Pomona, unload it, come back to the shop, close up here, all that before 5 p.m. And it's like 11:30 right now. Oh guys, the joys, the joys. Welcome back. And you guys don't know, I don't make up like fake drama, but I also don't want to miss this opportunity. I've been working with this company for a while now, so I want to make sure I go and support, and they've been supporting us in the channel, so I want to make sure we go and support as well. It was just really bad timing, like really bad timing. As you guys can see, I got my headlamp on. Let's get going. Temps and everything are looking good. So it's not perfect. We got everything back installed, but I'm gonna have to wait and order a new custom exhaust manifold. Got it to work, we got everything on there, but I guess it's gonna be more of a temporary solution for right now. But in other words, we got the trailer hooked up. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but trailer's hooked up. We're heading back to the shop. The guys are closing up right now. And it's gonna be an early morning because I was supposed to be there today at the Pomona drag strip for NHRA Winter Drags or Winter Nationals, but it's not gonna happen, obviously. They're gonna be heading out there at 6:30 tonight. It is officially 5:23 right now, so there's no way I was gonna be able to get the trailer, get the car loaded up, and head over there. So we're gonna just have to wake up early. It's gonna be like a 4:30, 5 a.m. Load up and head out. It is scheduled to rain right now. My phone just notified me. Expect rain for the next few hours. The clouds are rolling in, so I'm trying to just get back to the shop right now and hopefully get loaded up before the rain hits. I'm loading up right now just because it's it's like a 50 or 60 miles from my house. So there's no way I'm driving Little Red that far doing 45 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. So we'll load it up, make it easy. We'll be there, and also a lot safer. That thing's so small. When it's dark in the morning, it kind of scares me driving. When it's dark at night, it kind of scares me driving sometimes too. So rather play it safe. Got the Ram running-ish. It's running, but it's not in 100% condition. So need some extra parts. But we have other stuff to do right now, so that's what we're gonna take care of first. Uh-oh, guys. I'm starting to see the first few sprinkles on the windshield. No, I'm trying to beat the rain, but there's traffic. I do not want to load up Little Red in the rain. It just got washed and cleaned up and detailed today. No. Please hold off, Mother Nature. All right. It's starting to come down now. We gotta hurry up and get Little Red in there. And before it gets too wet. And then that way it's not a nightmare trying to clean this and detail it all up tomorrow. Oh man, can't catch a break. I know this whole video I said Little Red. Well, if you can see, Little Red's not in there. We got the gray van in there. Little Red's sitting right there for right now. She just said, no, you know what? Tomorrow's gonna be too cold. I don't feel like starting for you. I'm telling you guys, literally cannot catch a break right now. They don't want to start. Why? I don't know. I'm so over these things. Yeah, anybody want it? Come grab it. Scrap. Take it. Oh, we got Little Gray. I actually don't even have a name for this one, but the van is in here. The Nardo Gray van is in here. We did get a little wet. Not too bad. But let's get closed up here. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a foggy one. It's 5:30 right now. We are on our way to Pomona Fairplex with which should have been Little Red, but decided to be Little Gray or Gray Van, whatever you guys want to name it. You get drop comments down below. What's the name of the van? My daughter just says Mine. Actually, that's probably a good name, Mine. But I stopped at the gas station, grabbed my morning Monster. I'm on my way. It's nice and cold today. It is 38 degrees. Alright, let's get going. So we made it to Pomona Fairplex. Yeah, kind of like the whole theme of this video. Just things are not going right. I'm at the wrong gate. I didn't know what gate I was supposed to be at, so I'm so used to doing like shows on this side of things, you know, over here in the buildings, not on the drag strip. So I pull up to gate 17 thinking that's like vendors, that's normally where we pull in. Well, gate 17 is pretty much public. So I'm having to wait in line right now until everyone goes through. I have the trailer hooked up, so you guys can kind of see behind me. It's not easy just to kind of zigzag through here, so I'm gonna have to wait, get in, try to get out of here, and get to another gate, and we'll see what happens. Just open up gates right now. First few people are about to run their credit cards for overpriced parking, but in other words, means I should be getting in shortly. I'm hoping, because cutoff time for spectators is, or for vendors, I believe is like 8 o'clock to get anything rolled in, and it's gonna be 7 right now. So it's gonna mean I have about an hour to get over to the other side, unload, get everything in, and I'm gonna have to wipe down inside the actual show. So I'm hoping I get this right. Like I said, this whole video, like nothing has been going my way. Nothing at all. Oh man, life's crazy nowadays. Alright, so we made it out here. Here's the big surprise. We're out here with Bomber Eyewear. You guys know that they've been supporting us for a long time on the channel. You guys have that discount code that I've told you guys plenty of times. But if you guys don't know what it is, shoot me a DM. I'll send you guys that promo code. But we got the little van out here representing Bomber Eyewear, and of course all of our sponsors along with it. Best Tire Shop, Chin Edition, Powder Solution, Seatbelt Planet, of course Hoppos, JDI, Rigid, Thule, and Optima batteries. And a big shout out to Exquisite Auto Haus and Mag Factory as well. So everyone is all, everything's in place, everything's looking good. She's all wiped up. You guys know I was trying to bring Little Red out here. You guys saw in the video that I was trying to get it to work, but unfortunately she didn't want to cooperate. So we brought out the little van, which my daughter calls Mine. So this one's out here, and make sure you guys stop on by if you guys are out here in Pomona. Make sure you guys check out Bomber Eyewear, and make sure you guys see all the new products that they have and all that stuff. The trailer parked right back over there, along with all these other rigs over here. These guys are all set up to race. We kind of just snuck in some parking real quick. That way I had to leave, cross the street, walk all the way back. So the bad part is I still gotta walk far. So one thing walking through all the pits right now that I gotta say is a lot different from the shows that we normally do. Is these setups are absolutely ridiculous as far as rig after rig after rig. I'm actually a little jealous. I think it's time for us to upgrade here, but seeing the way everything's set up here definitely brings a lot of ideas. That's why I like, and I always tell you guys, make sure you guys go and see other stuff other than what you guys are used to. Go out, experience it, because there's a lot of things that are pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Seriously, these setups are freaking insane. Ridiculous. Like I said, I'm getting a lot of ideas from this, but we're gonna head to the track right now, see they should be doing their prep, and just want to check it out. First time here, man. Really is. First run just went down. Gonna head over there right now and go check out what's going on.
For a aluminum nitrous water bottle every round. Everybody will get something for playing. It's just a fun way to give away some free stuff. Final call. If you would like to join us for the John Force race.
Alright guys, so I am on my way back to Pomona. Gonna go pick up the little van, and my mom calls me right now freaking out. She's like, hey, you guys, you good? I know you and the girls are supposed to go to Pomona today. You guys okay? And I'm like, yeah mom, what are you talking about? And she's like, you good? Mikey and Shorty just called me right now, which are our friends, that they were supposed to go there today. They decided not to go, and like, they're just checking in on you. I'm like, checking in on what? What are you talking about? Like, I'm not even there yet. I'm on the freeway. And I guess a small 3-man plane, or a small, small single prop plane happened to crash at Pomona, the drag strip, or right at NHRA Winter Nationals. It happened to crash. Right now, I don't know too much of what happened or what's going on. What I do know is the guys that posted the little van, that they're okay. They just text me right now. They said that everyone was okay. It's a really close call, so I don't know how bad it is. Hopefully nobody got hurt. Hopefully everyone's okay. But there was a plane crash, and I'm on my way over there right now. Crazy, freaking crazy. I got chills right now because I was supposed to take my wife and my daughter today there, and last minute we decided not to go, and I was just gonna go pick up the van by myself. So I just hope everyone that was nearby is okay. I hope everyone involved was okay, and I'm pretty sure all first responders and police officers are probably there on scene already, and I'm pretty sure they were handling the situation. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. I'll let you guys know as I get there. I'm about 30 minutes out right now, so I'll keep you guys updated. Just got to the Fairplex, just got to the drag strip, and looks like racing has resumed, so it must have not been too bad. We'll find out more in a little bit right now. Yeah, everyone seems to be back to normal. Hopefully nobody was majorly hurt. Again, I don't know all the details. I just got whatever people were sending me, so we'll find out right now. Let's get over to the truck. You can see right there, right where it happened, right behind me. That's crazy because the bomber booth isn't too far. It's literally like 2 rows up. That's nuts. But everyone's okay. Also, good day because world record just got set today. That is absolutely so quick, the way they tear that stuff apart right there. I need to see if they want a job. I wonder if they want to work at Hoppos. Assemble your pumps that fast. As I've been here throughout the day, the one thing that just stands out to me is like how well organized and how well oiled each one of these teams are. It's amazing to see, like, these guys don't even talk to each other as they are doing something, and they are just flawlessly just hooking things up, doing things what they, doing what they got to do. It's amazing to see the process of everything. I'm the only idiot here that's walking around on foot. Everyone else has golf carts, and should have brought my freaking jackrabbit bike. They didn't even think about it. They didn't even think about it. It didn't even dawn on me. Should be hitchhiking pretty soon. Trying to head to the truck. It's getting a little chilly right now. Gotta get rid of my jacket. Still got a few more hours here. Everything got delayed because of the wreck, the plane wreck. So still got a few more hours to kind of hang out. I'm just here with the vehicle, for Bomber. So having a good time. Everyone's having a good time. It's unfortunate with what happened, but otherwise we're still having a good time here. Well, guys, that is gonna do it for us here. We are done. I'm in the van right now. We're gonna get loaded up in the trailer, and it was a long day. It was a long day, but it was a good one. Guys, we are all done. We got the little van all loaded up. Big shout out to Bomber Eyewear for bringing me out here and having a spot for the van. It was super cool to interact and meet everybody. Big thank you to Bomber Eyewear. I don't know why I'm so out of breath, because I was just loading and strapping. Makes zero sense, but it's been a long day. I gotta get home to the wife and to the daughter. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm back. I'm gonna do videos. I'm gonna do more videos for you guys. So we'll see you guys on the next round. You guys have a good one. I'm out.